Still using these? Pressure switches are the #1 failure point for furnace humidifier. They require drilling actual holes in your duct, hanging messy tubes that eventually clog, and they often fail to trigger. Today, I'm going to show you a neat, more reliable way to wear your Honeywell humidifier by totally bypassing pressure switch. Let's jump in. Modern furnaces like this Keeprite G96 series have a dedicated HUM terminal here. This terminal is smart. It's only energized when there is a call for heat and the blower actually running. By using this as your power source, we eliminate the need for mechanical pressure switch and external transformer. I set up a multimeter to verify the HUM terminal provides 24 AC when it energizes. Now it's a call for heat. Furnace burner is ignited, but the HUM terminal is not energized until the blower motor is running, and it do provide 24 AC. I use a crimper to crimp the female spade connector onto the wire and gently insert the HUM terminal. After that, I identified the common terminal on the control board. It's here. And then I connect another wire onto this terminal. After that, I put wire through the rubber-sealed hole. This hole is also used for thermostat cables and air conditioning cables. Wire a piece of wire to the humidistat. Use multimeter to check. When you turn the dial of a humidistat, it closes. We don't want to use this pressure switch. We want to get rid of it. I cut off these 2 blue wires from the terminal of the pressure switch. You can see I also cut off the wire here. That's original from the solenoid valves. So right now, I totally bypass this pressure switch. I want to wire it directly to here, to this solenoid valve. This wire is power from the furnace. I hook up the lead with the humidistat. And then this power coming from the humidistat wire to the solenoid, 1 lead. Last, I hook up another lead from the solenoid to the C common from the furnace. I still want to use this as a housing to hold the cables here. So I take out this small PCB board. We're not use this the air hose right now. So I take it off and let me see here. How can I match this to here? So this will be, let me see. I take off the lid of a humidifier. The furnace is running. Now I want to make sure after I bypass the pressure switch, the water solenoid is still energized by the furnace HUM terminal. Sure, it's on. You can see there's water on my hand. No more tubes and no more leaks. And a much cleaner look. If this helped you fix your humidifier headache, Please hit the like button and subscribe. Also hit notification bell. You won't miss any new DIY project. If you want to see how to protect your home from AC leaks, check out my video on installing AC float switch right here. Thank you for watching. See you next time.